false beliefs about the design build service ng isang architect.
Alam mo, akala ko dati, pag sinabing architect, automatic, pangmayaman. Parang, hello, 30K lang budget ko, di na ako kasali. Kaya nung nagplano kaming magpatayo ng bahay sa probinsya, DIY mindset agad ako. YouTube, Facebook groups, drawing lang. Pero one day, may nakausap akong architect from a design build firm. I told him flat out, "Boss, 30K lang talaga kaya ko for now. Akala ko lalaitin ako or tatanggihan." Pero instead, sabi niya, "No worries, kaya nating simulan sa face by face. Let's design something scalable na pwede mo unti-untiin as your budget grows." Now, kahit first-time builder lang ako with a tight budget, I'm building smart. One phase at a time, pero may direksyon. At ang sarap sa feeling na may totoong plano akong sinusundan, hindi bara-bara. Kahit 3K lang budget ko, pwede akong magpa-architect. Basta phase by phase, may plano at may tamang ka-team.